Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This vlog starts out Friday night. Before my friend comes over to watch Yellow Jackets with me, I ended up doing a point class, which has been honestly a really nice way to finish the week. I've been trying to get back into my exercise workout routine. I had a really solid routine January, and then when February hit, I was sick every other week and school was so busy, work was so busy, so I just haven't had time or the energy or the willpower to exercise. But like I said, finishing off the week this way has been really refreshing. I've been trying to incorporate some kind of movement Friday before the weekend because it's the end of the week and I want to finish my week off on a good note, on a positive note, on an uplifting note. And it's also been getting nicer out, which is awesome. My friend comes over to watch Yellow Jackets with me, so when she comes over tonight, it might actually be light out. I'll have to let you guys know, but as spring is closer in Canada now, the days are finally getting longer, which makes me so happy. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this week in my life vlog. Sorry in advance, it's not that interesting. I got really busy with school, work, and other things, so enjoy.
So I got a falafel bowl, but they were out of rice, so I'm gonna add some quinoa because I have some quinoa at home.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Wednesday. I've been so busy with school and it's been snowing so much. Finally, today we're getting a break from the snow. So I went out this morning. I had an appointment, but I didn't realize the appointment was online. So I went in person and it's fine. I rescheduled. It's not that big of a deal, but that's okay. On another note, I'm going into work tonight. It was a long weekend here, so I truly haven't been into work in I guess since the weekend. On Saturday I went into work, but it was a long weekend in Canada. So we had Monday off and I just kind of chilled and hung out at home. We've been watching the Twilight series, which has been so much fun. I used to love Twilight growing up. It was coming out when I was 12, 13, 14, so I was really into the books. And fantasy, obviously I read Harry Potter too and stuff like that, but I didn't really get into that kind of until Twilight. I guess I read Harry Potter before Twilight, but I was really into Twilight. My mom can attest to that. I did get a package in the mail the other day. It was meant, I think, for Valentine's Day, but we had so many snowstorms that honestly, I'm not surprised this came in later, and I wanted to show you guys. I got probably one of the nicest PR packages I've ever received. It's this box, and I haven't opened it yet. I just opened the wrapping paper outside and I was like, I have to save it for you guys. Are you kidding? So I'm gonna do my makeup before I open this because I have a feeling this is YSL Beauty. This box is so pretty. Are you kidding? So like I said, I'm gonna do my makeup first and just kind of give you guys an update to my life because a lot has been happening. As you know, I started school. I'm on my third week of school and I just finished unit 3 and there's 8 units I want to say with a huge assessment at the end before the next module. So I've been busy with that and it's honestly been a lot harder than I thought because I'm just not used to reading that kind of context and reading the kind of readings that I'm reading right now. Wow, that was a really terribly formatted sentence, but you guys know what I'm saying. When you're reading for pleasure, you're reading a fantasy book or even a nonfiction book or literally anything, pretty easy to follow, but when you're reading papers and scholarly things, you're it's just not something I'm used to. So it's taken some time and some rereads, quite honestly, and a lot of discussions with some people that I've met in the program, and they're all so lovely and so nice. And this program is mostly remote, so a lot of the people that I'm discussing with are from all over the world. So it's really interesting to also get to know people from different places and kind of hear what their findings are, because one of the things that we have to do is research, stuff in our area, and it's so different in Canada than it is in other countries. But I don't want to get into school too much, but obviously I had to say something because I started school pretty recently. It's going well. I still do not have an office, a designated office spot, and we're working on that, but there's just been so much going on with the house. My office basically is closed off because I don't even want to get into it, but there's just been some issues with that room. Won't get into it, but I can't use my office, so I don't really have a desk. I don't have a chair. I've been sitting at the dining table, which is where we eat dinner. It doesn't feel like I'm studying, and I said that in the last vlog, but nothing's changed. So I need to honestly just find a solution, whether it's clear out another room, maybe the guest bedroom, and make it an office for now, because I'm going to be in the school for the next 10 months, and I need somewhere that's conducive to studying. And honestly, I don't feel motivated in our dining room. Love our dining room, but I don't know, it's just distracting. It's middle of the house. I see people come by our house. I see people driving on the road. I see people walking up to different buildings, and it's just not great. It's just very distracting for me. And then, the dogs walking back and forth, the cats, I need somewhere to focus. So anyways, that was something I was looking forward to doing over the holidays, but we had that issue with the office, so I didn't get to even do that, which is fine. I'm learning that it's okay to not have everything together and perfect the way you envisioned it, because honestly, the world and life and the universe just has its way of making you be out of control sometimes. Like, I truly cannot control the situation with our office. I cannot control, the fact that I don't have a designated study space. I can control, though, where I choose to do it, and I can control like when I study and like maybe making that space more cozy, but it's really hard because we eat dinner there again. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with that at some point. But this weekend I'm at a dance competition, so I won't have time for that. So I'll just have to make do. It's honestly not been terrible. Like, I've been able to focus to an extent. I'm pretty good at like forcing myself to do things, like forcing myself to focus and just blocking out things, but it's just finding the motivation to start. It's the same with dance. Like, I can truly dance anywhere. Like, if I'm on vacation, I can literally do a ballet class in my living room or like in a cottage, like anywhere. But it's finding the motivation in itself to get started and to move my butt. That's the hardest part. And I do feel like I'm making excuses probably by saying like, if I had an office space, I'd be way more motivated. I think I would, but at the same time, like, I can't control that. So I'm just gonna have to make do with it, and you can't always control things in life. So it is what it is. Anyways, it's honestly been really fun being back in school. It's something that I missed, and I talk to my students all the time, like, enjoy your time at school. It's so much fun. You get to learn so much. You get to talk to so many different people, and when you're out of school, like, you miss it. Like, I did miss it. So it's been fun, even though I said it took some time, like, wrapping my brain around the formatting and reading things. It honestly has been really enlightening, and it's been helping my teaching journey and my career already, even though I'm not even close to being done the program. But yeah, it's been really good. I've been enjoying it so far. It's been really, really challenging, but also really useful, and it's been a great eye-opener to how I can be the best in my job. You know what I mean? So anyways, other than that, I also feel like there's a lot I have to read and watch and do. I honestly haven't been that active. I have not gone on the bike in like 3 or 4 weeks now. It's been a while. So now that I'm 100% better with my health, that cold just lasted forever, and it was like a head cold where it was just really annoying that as soon as I got a little bit dehydrated, I had the worst migraine and headache. So now that that's 100% better, I'm definitely going to have to plan to be more active again. And now that hopefully the snow is hopefully done, fingers crossed, because we've been getting so much snow. Now that the snow is hopefully done, maybe I can start to do exercise outside again. That is my favorite form of exercise. I love swimming. I love going on a run, or I'm not very good at biking. Fun fact, I am very bad at biking. Like, I am really bad. I've gotten a concussion from biking. I'm not good at it. So it's fun, but I'm just not good at it. So I just don't do it. I like kayaking though. That's fun. I really enjoy that. Except I also get very stressed out when like we're kayaking and it's really windy, because I feel like I'm gonna tip, and I really don't like that idea and that sensation of like feeling like I'm gonna tip. So I love swimming, but I just don't want to go for a swim if I'm not prepared for it. You know what I mean? But yeah, I don't know why I put mascara down there. It is fine, but let's open this YSL package. I'm so excited. I might actually open it on TikTok, but I wanted to show you guys too what's inside. Hey gorgeous, roses are red, violets are blue. Wanna ditch the dating apps and be YSL's beauty Valentine too? Yes. We know you probably have options, who wouldn't, but trust us, this Valentine's Day, we're serving up something exciting. We selected the 6 most iconic shades of our YSL Love Shine lipstick collection just for you. So apply your favorite YSL lipstick and kiss the dating drama goodbye. I love that. I assume these are the lipsticks. Also, this packaging is just so bougie and gorgeous. So it looks like they sent 6 different shades, which love that. This is like so bougie, guys. I don't even know which one to put on because they're all so bougie. A couple wet wipes, case a bum try to touch me. Ew. I'm the Terminator. It is Tuesday and I have the day off because I had some food poisoning last night. I'm definitely feeling better now, but still not 100%. So I took the rest of the day off and I'm here now. I honestly felt horrible last night. I had to leave work early. I pulled over into McDonald's. It was not pretty. It was not a good time. That being said, I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail because I got a few boxes of PR. I was away last week on the weekend. I went away to a cottage with some friends. It was so much fun. I totally forgot to vlog because honestly, I was just having so much fun. I didn't vlog anything. thing, so I'm really sorry, but I had a blast with my friend Amber and Joe, Steve. We went out on the ice, also did ice fishing, and what else did we do? Painted, we played some board games, we hung out by the fire, watched the new episode of Yellow Jackets, which was so good. And I came home to some packages, so let's unbox some. I already unboxed them as I did my makeup on TikTok, and if you're not following me on TikTok, it is JASSSOME, and my Instagram handle is JASSOME. So first things first, I wanted to show you what Urban Decay sent me because honestly, this package was super cool. So first of all, it's just like a whole box, and then bam! So within this, they included the prep. So basically you use this face primer, which I did in the TikTok as well. Then you use the foundation. I applied that. You can either mix it with the luminizer or apply the luminizer to select parts of your face like I did, kind of like here and my nose and my eyes. And then you use the setting spray, but this was really cool. Everything's vegan. There's 3% niacinamide, so it's good for your skin. All day luminosity, waterproof, and transfer proof, which I just proved now because I did not get any on my shirt and I'm wearing a crap ton of makeup right now. But it honestly doesn't feel like it. Everything feels really light, which I love. On my face, I also applied some mascara from, where is this from? L'Oreal. I already got the package all greasy with my greasy little fingers, but eyelashes look good. They look good. And finally on my face is, honestly, I was really excited for this package because A, it's super cute, and B, it smells really good. But I got the Teddy Set Go from Maybelline. I love Maybelline. I'm a Maybelline girl. It smelled really good because there's actual gummy bears in the package, as well as this keychain, which is so cute. And the one that I have on right now is this shade, and this is the shade Wild at Heart. I really love these lipsticks too because they're like a matte lipstick. I really want to try this deep purpley like red one too. They go on really nicely. They go on pretty matte. Like if I do a swatch here, I can backwards. Super pretty. That wasn't the best swatch, but you guys know what I'm saying. Super pretty, gorgeous color. And that's not the one I have on right now, but you can just see how easily it glides on. The one I have on right now again is Wild at Heart. And these are supposed to stay on, I think for 10-hour wear, 12-hour wear with no transfer. Blurred matte, 4 ways to wear. What are the ways to wear it? You can wear it blurred, bold, or gradient. Honestly, oh, and your cheek, are you kidding? Guys, wait. Okay, let's see how this looks. Are you ready? I'm not ready. Guys, I'm so excited. Stop right now. Ooh, that is a pretty color. I love that it blends. I also have setting spray on top right now. This isn't blending super well, but you guys can get the picture. I love that the color goes with the lips too. That is so pretty. I'm obsessed. But those are the makeup packages that I got. And tonight, when I get ready for bed, I'm going to use this one from Biotherm. It's the cold, which is perfect because I live in Canada. Intense hydration and stronger skin barrier. Comes with the 1 hour to fortify skin barrier Aquasource Hydra Barrier Cream. Super excited for this. And they also sent the Active Recovery Accelerated Repair Body Milk for dry skin with 48 hours of hydration, which honestly, I'm going to use some of that now because my skin is dry AF. It is super dry. It's super cold out. Oh my God. That's going to be so, oh, that feels so good for my skin. Like I said, I have super dry skin, which you guys can tell, especially on my hands. Awesome. But that is everything that I unboxed and wanted to show you guys. Other than that, like I said, I had some food poisoning last night, so I just took the day off to recuperate and recover from that. And what else is new? I'm gonna go back to studying right now, which is another reason I have not been vlogging lately because I've been studying so much. And I've also been trying to balance my work and my school with life and having life experiences like going to a cottage with friends. And I haven't been vlogging that because vlogging is my work as well. And I love it. I love it. But I honestly just needed a break from work, which is vlogging, as well as my actual work and as well as school, to just enjoy life without the pressure, I guess, of recording everything, editing everything, and all that, which again, I'm not complaining about it, but that's another reason I just haven't been posting as much, and I'm really sorry about that. We are back, baby. I am back from my bout of food poisoning. And here we are. So let's go back to studying, and then I'll probably take you guys along with me for the rest of the evening. I think I'm going to take Steve to the gym, drop him off, and do some errands. I'm not going to the gym personally after I just really need that time to rest, but I might pick up some food and then get ready to go to bed and take you guys with me because it's fun to do a little nightly routine. So guys, I kind of have to apologize for how often I was sitting and talking at the camera, but honestly, I have not been so good at vlogging lately. I've been really busy with school, with work, and Sunday was the one and only day I really left the house to do anything other than school and work. But it was much needed. We went to Winners, we went to go see some pets, we saw that funny pillow at Value Village, we went thrift shopping. All the things in stores right now are very Easter, very spring, very happy, and overall, I'm just so excited for winter to be over. As I'm doing this voiceover right now, there's literally rainbows all over the place because it's so sunny and it's reflecting off the ice and off the mirrors in our house, and I'm just so overjoyed with the fact that spring is almost here. I ended up getting these towels. They were just so adorable. I also got a few new pictures to hang above the bed, and I couldn't resist these claw clips. They were so adorable. The lettuce, the spicy hot chili pepper, and the corn. Monday morning I woke up, did some schoolwork, made the bed, did some skincare. Nothing really super interesting because in the evenings I have a really long work schedule. So I honestly try not to plan so much Monday mornings and Monday afternoons before I have to head into work. I did head in a little bit earlier to get some props done, which I'll show you guys when the prop is finished. Last year, Steve and I made that bee prop, and that was so much fun. And this year I made a prop with the help of some dance parents as well, and Steve again. But I made this prop for one of the ballet dances, and they're like music box ballerinas, and it was so much fun to make. Next morning, before I taught my classes online, I went to the gym with Steve, which it's been a while since I've been to the gym because I told you guys I had like some bout of sickness last week, and then the week before I had a cold, and the week before that I was also sick, or school was starting, I don't know, but overall I just have not been working out in a while, so it felt really good to do some exercise. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.